If there's a city in the world ruled by stray dogs, it's definitely Istanbul. Here, stray dogs are free to go in and out of human spaces, and they roam the streets without any restrictions. Each dog wears a tag showing it has been vaccinated and spayed, meaning they're not dangerous. They also follow the city rules, and sometimes even greet traffic police in a friendly way. When the dogs get hungry, they can go into shops for dog food, or local residents often give them treats. Tourists also willingly feed them. The dogs can enter shopping malls to warm up, or gather on buses to stay warm. No one ever chases them away. You can even play with dogs in the subway. In the summer, they jump into pools to cool off, and some dogs even dive into the river to swim with people. The people of Istanbul believe that God's love for animals is special. If someone doesn't love animals, they don't know how to love people. The love for stray dogs in this city makes it feel warm and welcoming.